we go. Okay. So what do I have? We've got the variable. The input variable is going to be x. And the units, it says x is in thousands of units. So thousands. And what is it? It's the number of texts printed. The output variable they call C. If you want to call it Y, you could do that. The output units is C is in thousands of dollars. And the output variable is the cost of producing or printing X thousand books. Now, what's so nice about doing this is if I ask you to find what's going to come up next, and you're going to be doing this in calculus as well, the average rate of change. Average rate of change is just the slope. It's delta y over delta x. And it's between these 2 points. And I know that my units on y happens to be dollars in thousands. And my units on x happens to be thousands of books. And so it's going to be dollars per thousand. That's the rate, dollars per thousand, because the y is dollars and the x is thousands. Scatter diagram, of course, you do on your own. Find the average rate of change between 1,000 and 13,000. Since the number of books are in thousands, it's between 10 and 13. So my coordinate points would be x equal 10, y equal 144, and x equal 13, y equal 153.5. So the AROC is just the slope of the line. It's change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1, 153.5, subtract 144, divided by 13, minus 10. And what you want to do is, I always make sure that the coordinate points are on top of each other. There's the xy coordinate point. There's the other xy coordinate point, that I know I've got them at least in the right orders. So this becomes, and I'm going to exit out of here, get my calculator, 153.5 subtract 144, which is 9.5 over 3. Now I could leave it like that if I wanted to. Then this would be 9.5 thousand dollars per 3,000 books. Now what does that say? That says for every additional 3,000 books I print, the cost increases by $9.5 thousand. It's a rate of change. Now what we tend to do is to just make that a fraction, divide that by 3, and we would then say it's 3.17 thousand dollars per 1,000 books for every 1,000, it increases 3,000. For every 1,000, it increases 3,000. So, and that's because of the units that we're in.